What's up guys, I'm here with another quick tip. I want to show you some of the basic tools we use to install decals on vehicles. First thing you're going to want to do is get your surface ready for a new decal. If you have any old ones on there prior, you're going to need to take that off. We use this chisel here. It's going to work your way around the edges of that old decal so you can peel it off. And for any residue that's left behind, we use an adhesive remover. You just go and spray this on, let it sit for a few minutes, and you can wipe all that goo gone. Now once you have any old decals off, or if you're starting fresh, you can go in and just use our combination of baby shampoo and water, spray that on, wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth. To finish prepping the surface, just go and wipe it down with some alcohol. We use a 70% isopropyl alcohol. You can get this at any Walgreens, CVS, or Walmart. Now once you get your surface clean, you're going to need a squeegee and some masking tape. We use some masking tape just to hold our decal in place where we want it, then we take the squeegee to apply our decal. Now if you run into any issues applying your decal, any bubbles or anything like that, you can also take an X-Acto knife, use this to pop any bubbles or anything like that and work your way out. And we also have a pick here, so if you have any edges that need to be pulled back and reapplied, you can stick this behind your decal and pull it up, and it reduces the risk of ripping your decal all the way off or ripping the decal itself. Now with some larger decals, you're going to want to use a wax pencil. You can take this blue pencil, mark a little bit on your decal and a little bit on the vehicle. That way you have a point where you can pull that decal back to. For any more information on these products and how we apply decals, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below, and stay tuned for more quick tips here at Harris Decals.